Hi, the great thing about Tridify is that if you've got a BIM model, you don't actually have to show the whole model. You can choose to actually export different elements of that model to share with different user groups so they see exactly what they want to see. And also you control exactly what you want to show. So I'm going to introduce you to Mia, and she's got a few examples of how you can share an apartment block, how you can share a floor, and more specifically, different elements. So explain a little bit more about this apartment block, Mia.
Yeah, here's the whole building that has been exported from Revit as IFC and uploaded to Tridify service. And in Tridify service, it's been converted, and then I just published it to web.
That's just fantastic. And if I just wanted to see a specific floor, how easy is that to do?
It's as easy as publishing the building. You just, like before, export the building, the whole building, and the service uses BIM data to separate floor from the whole building.
Ah, that sounds great. And can I jump in here? Is that easy to do?
Yeah, just select the room where you want to go, and then you can just look around.
Ah, great. And if I was, for example, a plumbing engineer and I wanted specifically to look at that element of the building, again, is that straightforward to do?
Yeah, just like before. You just export IFC and then use our service, and there's your view of the plumbing.
Superb. So it's so easy. It means that you can actually, as I said, control and share different elements of your BIM with the right audiences. What's more, you can take any IFC from any design packages and actually combine them into one view. So that's pretty exciting, but you don't get to see that on this demo. You have to go and check videos out on tridify.com. Thanks now. Bye.